Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to device care option. After that go to memory option and give it a moment. From here you can check your RAM or memory and then scroll all the way down again, then go to RAM plus option. Now to increase your RAM or memory, you have to just enable this option from here. And here you can see three options, 2GB, 4GB and 6GB, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select 6GB and then tap on OK, now your phone will take restart to increase your RAM or memory. So just tap on restart and you can see the phone is taking restart, and after the restart 6GB RAM will be selected in your phone. And the restart is complete. Now just open up your settings app and then scroll all the way down and go to same settings again, then go to memory, then go to RAM plus, and that's it. You can see in my phone 6GB RAM is selected successfully. And that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.